Hey everybody, believe it or not, this is me, Ray the Video Guy here, and today we're going to talk about a new program that Todd Gross is putting out called FaceSwap, and that's why I look a little different today. Let's take a look at how this works and what you can do with FaceSwap. Okay, so here we are inside of FaceSwap, and this is part of Todd's Synthesis Studio, which has a variety of different tools that he's released over the last couple of years. But we're going to be interested in the FaceSwap one right here. And you can see you've got your video FaceSwap, and if we click on that, that's going to take us to the main page there. But inside of here, you can remove backgrounds, you can do different image face swaps, you can do My Face Swaps, and of course the training. Now My Face Swaps is what we were in before. This just shows you the ones that we've currently got in there. We're going to go to Video Face Swap, and we're going to have a little bit of fun with this. We're going to browse video, and we're going to choose, in this case I'll just choose this video right here. I'm going to hit open, and that's going to bring that video in. Now for this you can have up to 30 seconds. And I did have one that was longer than 30 seconds, so I actually broke it up into pieces, and that seemed to work fine. So once it brings the video in here, you're going to give this one a title. So we'll just call this Test 3 for now. And then we're going to choose a face that we want to swap with. Now you can see they've got built-in faces here, and you can see they've got more and more of them in here. But you can also upload your own faces by coming to My Faces. And you can see we've got a bunch of different ones in here from Weird Al and all these other ones that I pulled from online. Probably not supposed to do that, but hey, you know what? We're going to have some fun with it anyway. Ideally, the pictures that you want to use are going to be these kind of straight-on pictures. This one here, probably a little bit too far off, but actually I did do one with that, and it worked perfectly fine. Ace Ventura 2, that one worked perfectly fine even though he's a little bit further back. The rest of them seem to work great, so we'll choose Weird Al. And that's basically all you really have to do to set this up. Now, over here you can choose between HD and Super HD. So we want Super HD for that 1080 quality. And then you've got the light mode and the deep mode for rendering. This is going to take a little bit longer, but it's going to do a little bit more calculations to really make it work a lot better. So we're going to click on this one here. It's going to ask if we agree. It's going to take one of our credits, and we're going to hit the button there, and boom. Now you can see it's in the queue, and it says it's going to take about 18 minutes. We got another one here. It's going to take about 10 minutes, and we've got all the rest of them that we've already done. So let's take a look at a few of them that we've done so far. Hey everybody, it's Ray here, and as I promised yesterday, I'm going to go over TV Boss a little bit here, but in a slightly different way. Hey everybody, it's Ray here, and as I promised yesterday, I'm going to go over TV Boss a little bit here, but in a slightly different way.
Hello everyone, Honest Abe here. When I'm looking for something to do, I head over to Impossible Escape. Why, they even have a cabin just like mine. Well, except this one's haunted and you have to solve a mystery, but I'm sure you'll love it. Come on down to Impossible Escape right now.
Okay, so as you can see, very cool the way these work, and I've actually wasted much of the afternoon today doing a bunch of these because they are kind of fun and interesting, and the one for the escape room we'll actually use. I love that. It would be great if we could put a beard on there, but of course it's swapping the faces, so it's not going to add the beard to that, but that would be cool for Abe Lincoln. But Abe Lincoln didn't always have a beard, so I think that works perfectly fine. People will know exactly who that is, and we should have some fun with that. So this is great for any business that wants to do something interesting, something fun. Obviously, in my case with the escape rooms, we can definitely have some fun with that, and it works out really, really well. But any other business can do that. We're actually going to be providing some bonuses that include some of our instant spokesperson videos so that you can actually face swap with those and have some fun there as well. And that should work out really well if you need to do something interesting. So for instance, if you had the plumber one, you might be able to swap the actual face of your plumber onto the video that we've already created. So that would be kind of cool. All right, so that's it for this. By the way, this Sunday, Todd is having that webinar or launch party at 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time, where you'll be able to go in and see everything about this. He's going to have deals going on. He's going to be giving some things away and having a lot of fun with this, just like he has in his last couple of launches. They'll also have another one on Monday morning, so you can check that one out as well. So be sure to check out one of those webinars because they know a whole lot more about this program than I do. I've just been goofing around and having fun so far, but there's a lot of other tools in here that can help you do some really cool things. So on the launch webinar, you'll learn all about that stuff. So Sunday, 8 o'clock, be there. We'll talk to you guys soon. Well, there you go. That's FaceSwap. As you can see, a very cool software. I can certainly find a lot of great uses for this in the escape room, and I'm sure if you're clever enough, you can find a lot of great uses in a lot of industries. If you want to be able to do stuff like this for yourself or your clients, well, you've got an opportunity this Sunday to go to a webinar at 8 o'clock p.m. and see Todd showing this off for the first time in front of the world. So be sure to join that webinar. There's also one on Monday morning, but don't forget we have the roundtable on Monday as well. So if you're going to go to the webinar on Monday morning, make sure you make room for us. Come to the roundtable. We'll probably be discussing the FaceSwap software there as well. So be sure to check it out. Go to the webinar on Sunday night, and we'll see you guys soon.